Alibaba just dropped something big, One 2.2, and here's the kicker. It's the first video model ever built using a mixture of experts approach. This is the same approach that made OpenAI shit their pants when DeepSeek was launched. So yes, maybe Runway should really be scared. Video generation has been a thing for years now, and still there's one thing that haunts all users: time efficiency. We sit there frustratedly looking at the progress bar and it just never seems to move. But things may change with this new approach that Mr. I Love the CCP has used. In this video, we will go through what a MOE approach actually is, and does it even matter? We will then look at the capabilities of the model Alibaba has released, and then we will debate if the creation from China's Houdini is even good enough to make Runway break a sweat. If you want to do this the boring way, we can go back to 1991, when Michael Jordan, not talking about Mr. Nike here, when Michael I. Jordan and 3 other totally super cool nerds released a paper on adaptive mixtures of local experts. Wait! This is the future me speaking. And since I don't want you to click off the video, I am skipping the history lesson and doing both of us a favor. Suppose you run a school and you have 10 teachers. Each of them are experts in their respective subjects. And whenever one student needs help, regardless of whatever subject or niche the question is related to, all 10 teachers are sent a request to help and solve the student's query. Now in the current system, even if the question is related to, let's say, chemistry, every teacher in the school, even the arts teacher, would get a request to solve the student's query. This system is inefficient as now the student has to wait for 10 people to get a final answer. And since all 10 teachers have to work, they all stay engaged all the time. This model is known as the dense transformer model and is in use by most of the LLMs in the current age. Claude, GPT-5, Gemini are some notable names. On the contrast, MOE stands for Mixture of Experts. In this system, only a select few relevant experts are requested for a response for any query. This means efficient response time and reduced usage of tokens. The first use of MOE approach at a LLM scale was done by Google for its Switch Transformer in 2021. which had 64 experts and 2 experts were activated per token, which was much cheaper than dense GPT-3 at the time. Now, learning what an MOE approach is was crucial, but what does it mean for the user back at home? What makes Jack's One 2.2 model special is that it's the first video model ever to use the MOE approach. This is significant as it may have the same effect that DeepSeek, which also uses MOE, that had on its freedom-loving competitors. It forced them to build more capable and faster models, ensuring that worldwide consumers get a better experience overall. If Jack Ma keeps pushing one harder and harder, this could lead to industry-wide development. We talked about the potential future of AI with MOE, but what's more crucial is current-day performance that the end user can get in real time. One 2.2 has a free tier, a pro tier, and a premium tier. The pricing details can be found on the screen. The free tier gives you 10 credits every day that you check in, which you can use to generate 5-second 720p video clips at 24 frames per second. Some tools of One 2.2 include text-to-image, text-to-video, image-to-video, and in-painting, much like Runway. To test current capabilities, we have given same prompts to both One 2.2 and Runway for text-to-image, text-to-video, and image-to-video. The results are on screen.
Stop! Thief! He stole my wallet!
I would like to add that we had to buy the standard plan for Runway, as at the time of making this video, Runway didn't allow any generations on its free plan due to heavy usage. I think it's quite evident here that Runway is still ahead of One 2.2 in quite some ways, especially how Runway is faster and holds the capability to keep consistent characteristics even in the free tier. To be honest, the whole MOE thing is more like a marketing gimmick from Alibaba as of now, rather than a significant efficiency upgrade. But as I said, if Jack keeps pushing this, it still holds the ability to push the whole industry to do better. In this video, we learned about Alibaba's new model, we learned the differences between MOE and dense models, and then we compared the capabilities of One 2.2 to Runway. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.